Go to the mountain. If Adidas does not sponsor me after this video, I'm going to be mad. By the way, people who wear black socks with white shoes, do better. Hi guys, welcome back to A Cup of C. I'm your girl C, bringing you makeup, vlogs, fashion and lifestyle. Happy New Year to everyone. It's literally 2020. Can we all deep it? Like, it's 2020. It's a new decade. 2020, this is the decade where people are going to be getting married, we're going to be having kids, we're going to chop life, we're going to make more money, we're going to own property, we're going to be driving big cars. Yes, claim it. Amen. I'm claiming it. I'm receiving it. I'm receiving it. I'm receiving it. Hey, I'm receiving it. This is the first video that I'm doing of the year. And today I'm giving you guys an unboxing slash review on some new kicks that I bought. You guys already know what you need to do. If you like what you see, make sure you subscribe, like and comment. Also follow me on all my platforms. Instagram, SoundCloud, Spotify, Apple Music to listen to a Cup of C podcast. Okay, let's get into it. Got two bloody boxes. I bought two new trainers like about 2-3 weeks ago. I know I say unboxing, but I basically have already worn both of them, but obviously I needed to like obviously just, you know, put it in the box, you know, for the sake of the video. So guys, let's just deep the coldness of this shoe. Let's just deep it. Like, let's just look at it and we'll take this in and we'll appreciate the shoe. Let's appreciate it. These are the ADIDAS OZWEEGOS. I literally saw these shoes. I came across these shoes on Twitter. A girl, I saw one picture of a girl wearing these shoes, and I was like, you know what, I have to cop them. She had the khaki ones, and I'm so mad because I didn't I wasn't able to get a hold of them. But obviously, you know what it is. I got another one anyway, so it's fine. Got two. Anyway, this is how the shoe looks like. It's like a chunky-ish, sort of sleekish shoe, and I love the design of it. I love the fact that it's all black and it's not too loud, because I don't know about you guys, but with me, I don't like loud trainers. I like something which is very muted and I can wear with everything and anything, and this is definitely the shoe. I love the sole that comes, like the big chunky sole at the back, and I really wanted chunky shoes and chunky-ish trainers, because I usually go for trainers which are kind of like small and kind of like very sleek and petite, but I like the fact that it's got this there because it just looks like really fashionable, and like I said, you can literally wear it with anything. It goes with anything and everything, and it's just banging on. Like, it's banging on. So I'm gonna try it on for you guys to see how it looks like. Sorry, 1 minute. The front part here, I don't know, you can't really see it on camera, but this part here is reflective as well. So obviously when you shine your light and you know you're in a motive and you know what you're looking like, one bad beat, your shoes are gonna be glistening. Like guys, please, like this is if Adidas does not sponsor me after this video, I'm going to be mad. I got the size 5.5. Size 5.5 is a perfect sizing for me, because if it's 5, it's too small. If it's 6, it's too big. So it's literally the perfect size. And when I knew that it came in half sizes, I had to cop 2. It retails everywhere, so it's available to buy on JD, Foot Locker, obviously Adidas, the actual, you know, the actual creator of the shoe, and it retails for $89.99. But obviously if you are a student, you know, uni days, student beams, yeah, like I really like the shoe because obviously it kind of reminds me of like the Yeezys, I can't remember which one it is. I think it's I don't know, the Yeezys in it. It reminds me of the Yeezy shoe, and I really wanted Yeezys, and I can never get my hands on Yeezys, so I feel like this is a very good alternative anyway, and it's also obviously cheaper as well. So listen, the best of both worlds. Like, you're saving your coin and you're still looking fashionable. Ka-ching! The laces are like obviously just normal laces. It's got like this little like rod at the back as well, which just gives it a nice touch. And I really like the suede around it as well. It just looks really, really cute. I'm gonna try it on for you guys so you guys can see how it looks on. Yeah, so this is how the trainer looks on. It looks really cute. Like, it's not too big, not too small. It looks really, 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 really nice. I really love the sole. Like, this sole really is really what attracts me. Like, I really love it. I'm just really happy that I got it and I found out about it, because honestly guys, I'm an overdoer. I am going to buy I'm going to buy everything. Okay, not everything, but most of them. These ones, I feel like these are my favorite ones. These are the off-white ones. When I saw that I could get off-white ones for literally, because at the time when I bought it, there was like a sale going on in Adidas, and I found out that literally you get 35% off the actual original price. The off-white ones are $89.99. If you know how expensive off-white shoes are, you'd know that this is actually a bargain. I got this for £59, and guys, it's off-white. Please, if you do not go and run to Adidas right now and tell them Crystal sent you, please, you just do that. I really like this shoe. I was a bit scared of like buying these because obviously I thought they would be a bit too loud for me, but obviously they ended up coming out really, really nice. I like the contrast between the white and the blue. I feel like it just gives it a bit of a nice touch. Like, it's like, ooh sis, what's on your face? Like, you know, like, girl, you're looking good. And obviously it's got like, you know, the red, you know, to represent that it's off-white. It's obviously got the writing here. I really like these. Like, they're so cute on as well. Obviously I'm wearing black socks. Guys, don't judge me. By the way, people who wear black socks with white shoes, do better. This obviously retails for $89.99 as well, but it's obviously with discount it was £59, which is really cheap for off-white trainers. It's really cute on. I'm gonna try these on as well. Obviously it's got like, instead of it having the rod, it's got like the little lace. It's got a lace at the back. That's the only kind of difference between them. It's got like the lace at the back as well. So this is how it looks on. This is how it looks on. Like I said, still got the sole. Yeah, so like I say, it's really cute. In terms of comfortability, really comfortable. It looks like, it literally feels like I have socks on my, like I'm wearing socks, and it's not tight. Like, you know, sometimes when you wear trainers and and sometimes like your feet start hurting you. Not with the Adidas Ozweegos. They are so comfortable and lightweight as well, and I love shoes like that. I don't like chunky, like heavy shoes. That's just not me. If you're interested in buying these shoes, they're all going to be down in the description box below. Tell Adidas I sent you, and yeah, tell Adidas I sent you. Tell Adidas that your girl C sent you and she hooked you up so I can get free shoes. If you like what you see, you guys already know what you need to do. Make sure you like, comment and subscribe, and make sure you follow me on Instagram and on my other platforms to listen to our Cup of C podcast. Everything will be down in the description box below. All the links to the trainers will be down in the description box below. But like I said, tell them your girl C sent you. Okay, Adidas? Tell them. I love you guys all so much. Stay blessed. Peace and love.